CHF, and what do we have on that? So this is USD CHF, and then the daily time frame. This is really how it looks, and the confirmation we are looking forward to on the daily. So easy to see. So easy to see. The first thing we have here is price is testing a daily key level, which is right there. The daily key level is being tested. The daily is a downtrend, it's a bearish trend. So price is testing a daily key level on that bearish trend, and keep in mind, price has done this pullback. This correction has been made in this market, which means we need to watch out for whatever is going to happen on the small time frame. So this is what price has done on the daily. The key levels on the daily, we have this high, we have this second one that marked out, and we have this ultimate low. So these are the three key levels on the daily chart. So this simply tells you if price breaks this zone to the top side, it's gonna continue all the way up to this high. And if price respects this level, it's most likely gonna continue all the way back down to this low. Very easy to understand. You only get these kind of confirmations in daily. So when you break this down to the H4, what do we have on the H4 charts? This is the H4 chart, and when you look at this closely, you would notice a very good bullish trend which is happening. A bullish trend is happening on the H4, and before then you would notice this bearish trend. This was a bearish trend which became a bullish trend. So on this bullish trend, we are going to see what to expect in this market. So the first key level here is this ultimate high. Like I said, this ultimate high is the first confirmation, and followed by this low right here, and the next one would be the next low right here. So these are very easy levels to pick out. When you have the right approach, the right understanding of the market, these are very easy key levels to pick out on your chart. So when you have these levels here, you should know exactly what we are looking forward to, right? I'm going to look at the H1 also for better clarity of that chart. So on the H1 here, this is what we have, very clean bullish trend. It looks even clearer on the H1. So what we're simply looking forward to is this. So price did this, and then price did this. So looking at what price has done in this case, we are looking at what is going to happen after this retest. What is going to happen after this retest? We could also watch out for this level right here. So anywhere around this high, there is potentials for short. There are potentials for short anywhere around that high, anywhere around here. Anywhere around it. So you could pick entry looking at what we have here, or you could wait for price to fill up this high and pick your entry. So anywhere inside of that box, there is potentials for bearish activities. So in that case, we are simply going to watch out for two possible entry levels. Quickly look at what price did here. These are extra confirmation from the small time frames. Price did something like this, and then price went back up. And right now, price is reacting to that spot. So that is why you need to watch out for that extra confirmations. So anywhere inside of that big box, there is potentials for some shorts. So we are looking at that, and we are looking for some possible shorts in this market to begin the week. And the first TP is right here, this low here. The second TP is somewhere down here. These are the two places I would like to have my TPs. You could also TP right here if you have your first TP. If you are looking at this price, you may have your second TP also down here if you wish, or you have it extended all the way to this low. The most important thing here is that when your first TP hits, you manage your trade, you secure some profits, you protect your entry, and you should be risk-free at least, right? Anytime your first TP hits, you are either closing your trade in profit, or you locking in some profits, or you definitely need to make your trade risk-free. So there is no point, there is no reasoning to have a losing trade when you have your first TP or your first TP almost hit. When price is getting closer to your first TP, it means you should be risk-free on that trade. So trade management is just as important as having the right analysis, the right setups, and all of that. So you need to put a lot of attention into managing your trade the right way, and also getting your entries, your analysis on point. So that is really